Hello guys, so we discuss today. So sometimes you need to data transfer from head office to different sites and different sites to head office with the transactional data and master data. So in this case you can use this code, so that one is very helpful for you. So this is the diagrams according to the data you can transfers. So I will show you the tables. Like this is the tables which we mentioned at head office. So according to that, we data transfer from head office to distributor, distributor to head office. These are the columns which we mentioned at head office that's distributor, and this is the which I use tables like a master and child tables and transactional uh, IDs, which is mandatory, and the master transactions. So M for master, T for transaction. Master data, it means you can only transfer the whole table to down. And transaction means you can transfer row by row data, record by record data from distributor to head office. So this is the samples which I show you, which are already I used. So you can see that these are tables, columns are is helpful for you to mention. Scheduler mean if you want to send a data by a scheduler or by force, so you can set that. This is tables I create an application, so you can deactivate in your screens if you want to sync data these tables, so you can just enable. And if you don't want to sync these tables, you can uncheck, like deactivate. So this is the samples data for you. So let's next step, I will show you how I use this code in application. So this is the transaction data and this is master. So if I need to transfer all the master data from head office to down, so then I write this code. So if you want to transfer data from distributor to then you use transactional data. So this is the this one is so tables, so data move from this one, and this is the data I get informations from sync table. So after that, when we data get this one master data, so this is the retail point information, so you can get all the information which data you want to transfer. So this is you can see this. So this is connection string from distributor. After that, this connection string for head office. So then you use using statements or get to fetch data master data from this one, and then the data truncate all the tables in down. After that, all the data transfer from head office to distributor. So then next you can see this one that from this one. So you transfer data from head office to distributor. This is the retail point information you can get from web config. This is sync, so you can get like a specific tables you want to transfer data, so you can get that table information. So this is transaction from head office. So if HO equal, then these table informations transfer from head office to distributor. If a data create at head office, so you can use this one. So I write it this query, so data dependent on a retail point. If a retail point according to the retail point data you can fetch. So customer pharmacy table I fetch. This one is created at head office, so all the information, so you want to get information according to the retail point. So if a pharmacy information create at head office, so you need and a distributor. So you can fetch, this is the retail point id, table name, child table if we have transaction id, and auto column id. So this is the code for head office connection. This is transactions. So here id, this is the automatically created id. Column, if you fetch this is according to the data type, so all like for each loop, so then data fetch of that column rows and deleted the, if we already exist then insert, and after that you set is transfer is 1, it means data transfer. So if anything exception occur, then the data recorded in an exception. So I will show you the in database. I also manage this one. So these are the columns so of this exception table. So this is 4 5 columns mentioned. This is if any happening, you can see at head office level if during the synchronizations. So let's, so next, this one is this is all table names, so you can also manage a save table information, so you no need else condition, just one condition you can transfer it. But it's good, you need to be all table information must be put same like is transfer or is posted. That one is good for you. So this one transfer data from head office. If you want to transfer data to head office, so the tables in sync active, scheduler is active, so only scheduler data will transfer to the head office. So if this one transfer data is equal to POS and the transactional data, then you use this one like different tables names. These are mostly tables as master and detail. So how can you transfer data? This one master and details. This is payment transfer. This is only master table. This is inventory distributor. This is multi-center inventory. So you can just update the status. If not exist, then you just insert at head office. So this one transfer to head office. So this is the transaction details and connections, and this is the connection string for HO. We will pass on that one already we create. This is connection for distributor, so we will fetch and pass this one. So after that, according to the table, which table have, so if that one is match, according to that you will get a table name. After that you pass this one table name, distributor is mandatory, and is transferred is 0, then this one you can pass the connection string of distributor. So system will get information of the unposted is transferred 0. So this one as for each all data will fetch a 5 10 whatever record, so is transfer is 0, and we posted if we like we posted and transfer is 0, then all the data types will be added this one, and this is if data fetch, and he put in query. So after that he fetch if you don't want to these tables data not deleted, so else it will deleted if already exist, and if I have a child table, then first it deleted at distributor head office level, then we will fetch a detailed table information and all these data type according to that put conditions, and we fetch in a record, and after that if insert into a child table. So after that you also put is transfer is 1, and after that you put if any exception coming into the log. So next, so here is a different create functions with a scheduler, without scheduler, or master transaction, or you can use like a one function are two functions, no need multiple because this is according to your requirement. So after that, this is I show you this one table. So this is no, I will show you in like in a scheduler. Just wait. So this is my applications here. I already created at head office. So table you can manage. Open this one scheduler. I create the scheduler of same code because if you by force you can use same code in application. So if you want to put in schedulers, how you use same code in a scheduler. I created the scheduler, so connections, two connections, head office and a distributor. I created in web config. And after that, this is library is a predefined functions. And after this here, I put all that code post paste here. And this is SQL helper class already you have, I'm sure. So after that, this is the main class. Here I put all the data master and transactional that I put. This is like for installer. So you can create a service. This is service class. So go to property and show you the setting. And this one is local setting. You need to set local setting. So this is mandatory. And here I put service names. According to that, we will find in Windows service names and run at stop. You can easily we can stop this one. So go to the code. So here I put this is our scheduler timer informations and timer create class and enable timer and interval how much the time 5 minute 10 minute whatever and library writing I put in text file and after that here I get a time because my requirement I don't want to run a scheduler whole day 24 hours. I just want to run within the my company time. So this is head retail point. If like you put a specific retail point different retail point different time, so I put here time is 5 8 to 6 and this center I put 10 to 6. So according to that I want to run a scheduler. So no need to run a scheduler of 24 hours. So that's why I get a time. If time is 8 o'clock, then scheduler start sync data from down to up to down. And other center, so for different centers. So if a time is same, so I said okay, the time is 10 to 6. So after 6 o'clock it will not run. Don't want to put up load on server. So that's why I put time. So this is three type like a master and head office to distributor, distributor to head office. I make a three method. So transfer to HO. So these tables are specific because each table have little bit information change. So that's why inventory distributor because this one is all centered data coming to head office in one place. So that's why in one table. So that's why I create separately. I check if the data is already exist at a head office according to the distributor and product and lot number wise. So then system just only update a quantity and free goods at head office according to the product ID, distributor and lot number wise. If the data is not exist, then he will insert at head office. So we can manage a record of inventory at head office. Uh, at head office. So This is transfer. Master data you already you show you in other applications. So just we bulk copy. So just data fetch according to the centers connection strings, and he will truncate and insert new data. This is the cycles which I already show you. These are the tables. So I will try to share this code with you, or if you want to send an email for thanks, if this is good for you, it's good help for you. So I'm sure you like my this video. I try because this is good for me, so I'm sure some people also need this code, because I try too much at Google, but I'm not found, so I write this code for other people help. So thank you. I will try to give a link in comment section. So, and also you can open my other website. There I will give you the code and you can download and enjoy.